best and the most talented in the world, right? Well, not exactly. You can actually be a good role model yourself by being these three things: kind, trustworthy, and responsible. Seems easy, right? Well, I could be a good role model for 2025 because I am those three things. First, I'm kind because I care for other people and love to help. Second, I'm trustworthy because if you have any problem, you can rely on me and trust me. Third, I am responsible because if I did something wrong, I can fix the situation and make things right again. So in conclusion, you don't have to be super talented to be a role model. You can just be the three things that we talked about, or even yourself. And the most important thing about being a role model is never give up. Of course, from my last speech, that I would never give up on Oreos. I love Oreos. How could I give up on them? So vote me for East Public School Captain for 2025. Thank you.